I'm still trying to comb this hair right now. You can see it likes to save your 12 pounds for. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So this video is gonna be a part 2 of me unboxing and trying on the wigs I bought from wish.com. So you guys know I already tried the first one, so this is the second one, and this is a more of a long wig. I think I bought it for 12 pounds. I know it was not more than 12 pounds. So I just opened it right now. We're gonna see what it looks like. It feels kind of heavy, you know. It does feel heavy, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out ourselves. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And they actually said that this wig is a human hair, that you can straighten it and all that. That's what I don't like about the site. They can really lie. I don't think most hair, I believe that most hair, they are all synthetic. If you're buying anything there, just know that you're buying synthetic. You cannot straighten any of this hair, especially the cheap ones. So this is what the wig looks like. It kind of looks exactly the way I saw it on the website, which I'm gonna put a picture for you guys to see. But the reality is that it's just messed up. I'm sorry to say, but I don't like to bring anybody's business down, but it's not fair to deceive people as well. You don't have to deceive people. Look, just, I don't know if you guys can see this wig properly. Stuff right here, what is this stuff, right? Like, this is pure synthetic. This is definitely, this is just rubbish. I'm sorry to say. I don't understand. I don't understand why they have the parts right here and they still have this. I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't understand what this stuff right here is. Seriously, why did they add the weft here? It's not necessary at all, you know. What do you expect? You actually get what you pay for. Oh god, I can't comb this hair. Oh, are you kidding me right now? Are you serious? Are you serious? Really? Like, look, you see, I can't I can't get a comb through this hair. Why are they doing this? This is crazy. I don't even try it. Like, don't even go and buy this stuff. Like, it's crazy. I won't advise anyone to buy this. You cannot even comb it. It's just waste of money now. Let me put it on and see. It's like you can really. I'm still trying to comb this hair right now. You can see it likes to save your 12 pounds for. I think you can get away with the short pixie wigs. You can just run errands with that type of wig. But this one, what is this? Like, kilo day. Wow. What is this, man? I'm speaking my language by force. Like, I can't even work with this pattern. Like, how am I going to work with it? Assuming it's like this, now I can just twist it and then add concealer all through. But that weft there is something I really don't understand why it's there. But let me go ahead and add concealer all through to see how far. Oh wow. Hey. It's just funny how it's just in the middle. Assuming they have it up to right here. So you guys can see. Don't waste your money. Let me just try the last one. And they say you can actually use heat too. They said you can use heat on this hair. That is what they wrote. It's not fair. Like, seriously, they are not supposed to lie. If it's synthetic, you just say synthetic wig, you know, so that the person buying it will know. Well, see now. Ooh. Well, you guys can see so far so good. It's not that bad with the heat though. Ah, when I see, oh, it's smelling as if it's burning, or like as if something is burning. I think it's kind of burning the well, at least it's not melting immediately. It's not melting. Well, ah, oh Jesus, this is just jeez. You can see the short wig, the first video I did. If you want to go for short one, just maybe style it and make it look fun. Hopefully nobody will notice that it's not that is synthetic. But these long wigs you see that look so beautiful, don't even try it. Seriously, don't try it. Don't try it at all. If you want to buy a good hair, save money. It's not easy, I know. Well, don't waste your money anyway on these things, because they are not true. They can't work with hair straightener very well, because you're going to perceive something as if it's burning. So it's as if the hair is burning, and you can see that the pattern is rubbish. Like, I don't understand. I can't even. I said I want to be positive because I want to work with it and see if it's something we can work with, so that you guys, those of you that want to try it, you can try it. But you can't even comb the hair. So what are you going to try? It won't be fair for me to sit here and lie to you to go and buy this thing. Don't even think of it. And I think this is going to be the last time I'm buying anything from them, my dear. So that is what it's going to be, guys. Please, do I recommend it? Hell no. Please don't waste your money to go and don't waste your money there at all, you know. And what do you guys think? Have you bought anything from Wish? Have you had any bad experience with them like me? And are you gonna buy, you know, even with watching this video, are you still gonna try and buy something from them? Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know what you think about this wig. And that's what it's gonna be for now. If you have any other sites you like me to try, let me know. But as for Wish, you guys can see I don't know if I'm gonna try it anymore. And that's what it's gonna be for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Share this video with your friends so that they don't make this kind of mistake, you know. And I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah. No, it's not working.